Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I'm doing unboxing these two models that I got from Buargo. Well, I've never actually bought anything from Buargo before till just now, and I bought it for, and well, I guess I'll tell you what I bought. I bought two Buargo models. I bought a Buargo 118 Ferrari Testarossa and a Jaguar E-type. And the reason why I bought two models is because there's a thing, and eBay has this too, but you kind of have to request it, which is kind of dumb, in my opinion. But sorry about the dogs in the background. That is just the background noises you'll have to deal with in this video because they're very angry right now. And but like I said, I bought it from Buargo, and I actually got these two models, which are one's less than the other, but quite desirable. The Testarossa usually goes for about what I paid for these two, or just even a little more than that sometimes. So I paid $60 for all of these models, plus shipping and tax, to get to my doorstep for about $60. Now, I think that is a very good price just for the fact of that these Testarossa models go for a very, very hefty penny sometimes, and I didn't want to pay that on eBay, and Buargo is a less traveled site, so that's why it kind of figures why you can get these models for just a tad bit cheaper. So go check out either Etsy or Buargo, some of those littler or less known places and less traveled places for eBay as those models come in, which they do. They have a pretty good selection, and you can really find some great deals. So go check that out. The Jaguar E-type is also one I've wanted for quite some time now. It is a beautiful car, and Enzo Ferrari himself even said the most beautiful car ever made, in fact. So, you know, it's a very kind of interesting and cool few models, or I guess a couple models to get. And we'll go ahead and throw some of these. Oh, by the way, go watch my unboxing of the LED display case that I got from eBay for about $70. I loved it, so if you're looking for one, go check it out on eBay. They also give you 5% off coupon when you buy from them too. So, yeah. So we'll go ahead and get these other bits out. I guess we'll just throw those there. Hopefully those don't throw away. We'll just poke them with the phone. Whatever. So, models are in here. They're in pretty decent condition. The Jaguar is a little rougher than the Ferrari from pictures. The wheel was broken, and then also it's still on, but it's broken, and then the windshield's broken, and also it's missing the tail light. Apart from that, though, the Ferrari looks better condition and has no missing parts that I know of. So that's good. And then looks like they wrapped them each in some plastic or some paper, so we'll go ahead and take that out. And I'll probably do my usual, box cleaning with the plastic, gluing back the plastic too as well. And if there's any smells, sorry, I'll set you down. If there's any smells, I'll usually get them out with either a dryer sheet or either some dryer sheet or a scent of some kind, a spray. And here's the Ferrari Testarossa. Very, very beautiful car. So it looks very dirty, as well as, is that rust? I don't know. But it's very dirty, so we'll have to clean it. Very nice, though. Take a look at the interior. Yeah. This is a very early diecast. Either made in the 80s. This is an 84 model. Let's see when it was made. I'm going to guess like either 89, 88 or something like that. So this is definitely an old, oh gosh, very old model. Sorry about that. I'm going to guess 1984. Here's when this was made, 1984, 1988. I wouldn't think it'd be in the 90s. This looks like it's an earlier model, so either 84 when this was made, or I would say 84 to 88 is my time span of when I think it was made. So very beautiful. needs nice cleaning and TLC, but I think we can get it back to its former glory. This one looks good. Not amazing, but good. We'll see what it looks like out of the box. Sail down again, sorry. So, very common. The plastic is falling down. Sorry about me covering the camera, holding the phone wrong. Plastics come down, which is very common for these boxes. So we'll glue that back up. Once again, it's going to need a nice cleaning. Let's look at the model. Yeah, it's, yeah. Well, she's rough. Yeah, she's rough. Yeah. So the wheel is somehow sheared. I don't know how the heck that happened, but we're not going to mess with it. There's some paint and bubble. Everything else looks fine. The windshield I knew about. She needs a good cleaning too. We'll fix that license plate sticker. Yeah, I can't really, I'll check on eBay if there's any parts for this model, and I'll see if I can replace this wheel and this windshield. The paint wasn't great on these 90s models, so I don't really care about the paint necessarily, and I think it'll come out. I got the convertible, which is very nice, the cabriolet, as they say, and we'll give it a good cleaning with the Ferrari as well. I think I'm going to do a video on it. I'll do a video if you'll like. So, I did one on the Mercedes 500 SL, which I liked doing. That was fun. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you a couple of the features. Showed you that opening feature, the very nice V12. One of my favorite 80s Ferraris, along with the Lamborghini Countach, which is another kind of its rival back then in the day. It wasn't as much as a poster car as the Lamborghini was, but it was still a very cool and interesting car. So, yes, once again, very dirty, so we'll have to clean that up. But, we'll throw some straps back on these models and kind of get them best as they can look, So, very, very good. Everything looks nice to be expected, and, I got them for great prices. $30 each, which I think is good prices, especially this one. And they combine the shipping too, which is very nice to the seller. Shout out to the seller. If you were watching this video, obviously you would probably know these models if you did. So thank you so much for watching and liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to build the channel, and in the future, my goal is 1,000 subscribers. We're almost halfway there, guys. So thank you so much for the support, and please continue to support, and I will continue to make these videos, which I like doing very much. Yeah. So I will be making a video on each of these, getting them back to their former glory of being very clean and nice best as I can get them to look. So that's very good. I'm very happy with the purchases. This wheel does bother me, so we'll see if we can get a replacement on eBay. Yeah. So, put in the comments down below what you think about the price and these models. I think these are a very good selection of models right here that I loved and I wanted to get for a while, and Macari delivered. So, well, the seller, thanks to the seller especially for the great price and the great service and super fast shipping as well. So I ordered these 2 days ago. They're from Indianapolis, Indiana, and I got them today. So very crazy. I live in Texas, so very, very fast shipping. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later on. So, thank you so much for watching.